Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, this is Fitria Noor Fatima from English Education 5H. This video was arranged to fulfill the midterm assignment. The assignment is about quantitative research. Okay, let's start it begin. Here, I choose one topic. The topic is the correlation between students' grammar mastery and their speaking accuracy. The first semester of 10th grade of SMA Negeri 1 Lembang Pesisir Barat in the academic year 2016-2017. The next is preview study. The reason why I chose that topic is about the gaps between the previous study and the research that I chose. I found two previous studies that have relationship between the research that I chose. The first previous study is about the correlation between English grammar competence and the speaking fluency of 11th grade students in SMA Negeri 1 Sidoarjo 2013, made by Agus Prianto and Liz Amin L. The second preview study is the correlation study between grammar mastery and student speaking skill to the third semester of English Education Department students of State Islamic College Ponorogo in academic year 2014-2015, made by Arlis Rohayatin. The next is the gap, consists to subject of the study. The subject of the study in this research, or the research that I choose, is the first semester of 10th grade of SMA Negeri 1 Lembang Pesisir Barat in the academic year 2016-2017. And the subject of the study in the research that made by Agus Prianto and Liz Amin L is 11th grade students in SMA Negeri 1 Sidoarjo 2013. And the subject of the study in the research that made by Arlis Rohayatin is third semester of English Education Department students of State Islamic College Ponorogo in academic year 2014-2015. The next is the gap, consists to variable of the study. You should know two kinds of variable of the study. The first is independent variable. Independent variable is the variable that you think is the cause, and dependent variable is variable the effect. The first research is the correlation between students' grammar mastery and their speaking accuracy the first semester of 10th grade of SMA Negeri 1 Lembang Pesisir Barat in the academic year 2016-2017. What the independent variable and dependent variable? The independent variable is students' grammar mastery, and the dependent variable is their speaking accuracy. The next research is the correlation between English grammar competence and speaking fluency of 11th grade students in SMA Negeri 1 Sidoarjo 2013. The independent variable is English grammar competence, and the dependent variable is speaking fluency. The third is the correlation study between grammar mastery and student speaking skill to the third semester of English Education Department students of State Islamic College Ponorogo in academic year 2014-2015. The independent variable is grammar mastery, and the dependent variable is students' speaking skill. The next step is about sample. The first, the research that I choose used 20 students. The second, the research made by Agus Prianto and Lis Amin L used 50 students, and the research made by Arlis Rohayatin used 71 students. Next, we're going to the research problem. The research problem of this research is there any correlation between students' grammar mastery and their speaking accuracy the first semester of 10th grade of SMA Negeri 1 Lembang Pesisir Barat in the academic year 2016-2017? Nah, the next is hypothesis. The hypothesis consists two. The first is alternative hypothesis and the null hypothesis. The alternative hypothesis is there is significant correlation between students' grammar mastery and their speaking accuracy the first semester of 10th grade of SMA Negeri 1 Lembang Pesisir Barat in the academic year 2016-2017. And the null hypothesis is there is no significant correlation between students' grammar mastery and their speaking accuracy the first semester of 10th grade of SMA Negeri 1 Lembang Pesisir Barat in the academic year 2016-2017. Okay, the next is direction of correlation. The direction of correlation consists two, positive direction and negative direction. The positive direction is there is have relationship with the variables, and the negative direction is there is no relationship between the variables. In this research, use 20 sample or 20 students. The first is Anadia Fitrisa. The score of grammar mastery is 5 and the score of speaking accuracy is 18. Second is Dina Efrina. The score grammar mastery is 5 and the score of speaking accuracy is 20. Emi Juwita S. The score of grammar mastery is 7 and the score of speaking accuracy is 20. Farisa. The score of grammar mastery is 14 and the score of speaking accuracy is 28. Next, Anissa Febriani, the score of grammar mastery is 10 and the score of speaking accuracy is 20. Next, Ayu Sapitri, the score of grammar mastery is 10 and the score of speaking accuracy is 28. Desti Melia, the score of grammar mastery is 2 and the score of speaking accuracy is 16. Lilis Nawati, the score of grammar mastery is 4 and the score of speaking accuracy is 22. The next is Neng Gelisna, the score of grammar mastery is 25 and the score of speaking accuracy is 46. The next is Maya Mulia. The score of grammar mastery is 7 and the score of speaking fluency is 22. Next is Heni Anissa. The score of grammar mastery is 9 and the score of speaking accuracy is 22. Next is Tessa Aprisela. The score of grammar mastery is 4 and the score of speaking accuracy is 18. And the Yesi Andela, score of grammar mastery is 20 and the score of speaking accuracy is 42. Vera Yulita, the score of grammar mastery is 6 and the score of speaking accuracy is 22. The next is Lela DDS. The score of grammar mastery is 11 and the score of speaking accuracy is 24. Laila Husna, the score of grammar mastery is 5 and the score of speaking accuracy is 18. Resi Andelia, the score of grammar mastery is 21 and the score of speaking accuracy is 36. Sabti Ulan S, the score of grammar mastery is 7 and the score of speaking accuracy is 24. Devi Maria, the score of grammar mastery is 5 and the score of speaking accuracy is 28. And Desti Kirana, the score of grammar mastery is 12 and the score of speaking accuracy is 24. So this is the chart of positive direction because this research is have a relationship between the variables. I think enough for this video. I hope you can capture the material from this video clearly. Okay? This is Fitria Noor Fatima. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.